What are the legal risks of purchasing NFTs 2022? What issues are conventional workmanship purchasers and authorities looking with their initial introductions to the NFT space?
It, first and foremost, is critical to take note of the scale in which NFT deals are disturbing the craftsmanship deals market. Last year, the volume of NFT deals added up to $24.9 billion, Reuters detailed, up from $94.9 million out of 2020. In 2020, the customary workmanship and ancient pieces market was assessed at $50 billion. As customary authorities attempt to grasp NFTs, non-fungible tokens, it is ideal to characterize it as an indispensable piece of information that is checked on the blockchain. In that capacity, a significant number of their inquiries I have gotten have zeroed in on the selectiveness of privileges of fine arts printed as NFTs. As of late, I was inquired as to whether it would be feasible to mint a duplicate of a Picasso that a craftsmanship gatherer possessed.
In fact, the response is no, as the demonstration would be an encroachment on the copyright of the Picasso work.
The authority doesn't claim the copyright, the Picasso estate does. Simple responsibility for unique work of art doesn't imply that a gatherer possesses the copyright of the piece.
Another normal inquiry that I get about NFTs concerns their virtual, advanced nature.
Conventional gatherers appear to address why a NFT is important when it is exclusively virtual, while customary craftsmanship incorporates an actual piece of workmanship. NFTs in customary workmanship are significant for comparative reasons. Before NFTs, pundits regretted that they didn't use procedures like Jackson Pollock's dribble painting strategy since, as indicated by them, it took no expertise and are presently some way or another value a large number of dollars. In any case, these pundits neglect to comprehend the genuine worth of a Pollock trickle painting. While the method might show up simple, these pundits neglect to understand that the cost doesn't come exclusively from the actual paint on the material, yet what the work addresses.
In the event that the cost comes from what the work addresses, why does it matter to possess an actual material or a NFT?
As NFTs and the customary workmanship world become more interconnected, specialists in displays are starting to offer NFT and actual craftsmanship pairings. For instance, Craftsman Arena BB's Man ZZZ assortment matches NFTs with actual artistic creations. Furthermore, specialists can get eminence installments consequently to their crypto wallet as their works are sold on the optional market. The eminences allows craftsmen an opportunity to partake in their future achievement too, in light of the fact that, not at all like the customary craftsmanship world, NFT specialists will get a piece of future deals.
These sovereignties are a totally new road for craftsmen to create recurring, automated revenue.
These eminences further give an extra monetary security to specialists so they can zero in on what they excel at, making workmanship.
Do NFTs lead to novel network protection concerns?
NFTs bring about remarkable network protection worries for people, however your openness is restricted.
There are two primary kinds of NFT wallets.
A hot wallet is an electronic wallet that exists on your program or telephone and is associated with the web. A cool wallet is an actual wallet that you can buy that is possibly associated with the web when you are playing out an exchange. The meaning of this is that digital lawbreakers can undoubtedly target hot wallets and move the NFTs and cryptographic money that you have put away there. For the most part, these programmers utilize commonplace strategies like phishing connections or messages to get close enough to your hot wallet and move its items to themselves. With a chilly wallet, since you really want to endorse the exchange on the actual gadget, a cyber criminal can't take your NFTs as effortlessly contrasted with in the event that you were utilizing a hot wallet. Notwithstanding, programmers are utilizing different strategies to persuade people to move their NFTs from their cool wallet eagerly. It is critical to explain that in spite of the fact that your NFT is put away on the blockchain, what is put away inside the wallets is likened to a key to open, move, and own the NFT. There are likewise choices for response if your NFTs are taken or unwittingly moved to a programmer's crypto wallet. Since all exchanges on the blockchain are public, it is feasible to find taken NFTs. Nonetheless, recuperating them is an alternate story. A few people have lucked out and had the option to connect with the proprietor of the wallet where their NFT is presently found, and afterward repurchase their taken NFT from the honest outsider buyer. Given the absence of guideline, how might people in the NFT space safeguard themselves from dangers and cut off their openness? For specialists, customary workmanship regulations actually apply to agreements and protected innovation privileges. There are a couple of lawful inquiries that stay unanswered in the NFT space. However, the most effective way to safeguard your openness as a craftsman is to ensure that you talk with legitimate guidance who figures out NFTs and Web3 preceding making a buy. It additionally helps in the event that your legitimate advice has a workmanship regulation practice and comprehends the compelling artwork commercial center similarly, like Mazzola Lindstrom LLP. As a shopper, the most ideal way to safeguard yourself is to do your own exploration. The most effective way to do this is through finding out about the NFT space and associating with the NFT people group through face-to-face occasions and explicitly on Twitter and Instagram. Feel free to get clarification on pressing issues. Not very many individuals have been engaged with NFTs for over a year as of now, and, surprisingly, the valid veterans have just been in the NFT space starting around 2017 at the earliest. While there are gambles out there, the NFT people group is exceptionally useful, inviting and fast to recognize corrupt way of behaving. Concerning projects themselves, you really want to pick a specific gamble resistance and stick to it. You might see individuals purchasing an NFT for 2 ETH, about $6,000, and selling for 30 ETH, about $180,000.
That isn't normal.
The key is to become taught and alleviate your gamble resilience by being steady and not getting too up to speed in the publicity. As a lawyer, I incline towards being risk opposed. However, I have actually started to gather NFTs for their creative worth and to help my number one craftsmen and undertakings. My idea is to ensure that you know the craftsmen and pioneers behind a task prior to putting resources into it.
What extra safety efforts would it be advisable for one to consider to guarantee their advanced wallet is protected and their NFT portfolio is safeguarded?
In the event that you are sufficiently fortunate to claim NFTs that are many thousands or even large number of dollars, my best recommendation is to contact Appraisal Bureau and have your NFTs evaluated, protected by Lloyd's of London, and put away on a ballet wallet in a solid vault with Malcolm it. Caroline Taylor of Appraisal Bureau is as of now the main artistic work appraiser who has fostered an exclusive technique to evaluate NFTs, and Lloyd's of London expects that all NFTs utilize her strategy for examination before they will protect the NFTs. When protected by Lloyd's of London, your NFT is then put away on a ballet card, which is a type of a Chile wallet, and genuinely put away in a vault by Malcolm it. Presently, this is the best way to get full responsibility protection for your NFTs, and, as I would see it, this is the most effective way to safeguard your NFTs completely. Kevin Kelly is a partner at Mazzola Lindstrom whose training centers around business case. Kevin addresses homegrown and worldwide business organizations in discretion or case on value-based matters, and has likewise dealt with an assortment of protection matters including subrogation, inclusion conclusions, specialist obligation, and taking care of dishonesty claims. His training likewise remembers work for craftsmanship regulation connecting with NFTs, and he has experience exhorting on protected innovation privileges and jurisdictional issues around here. Mazzola Lindstrom LLP is a firm settled in New York City that offers legitimate types of assistance and fills in as broad direction to a different exhibit of clients locally and globally. Mazzola Lindstrom LLP's attorneys practice in regions including business case, complex exchanges, workmanship regulation, work regulation, credit hazard and global exchange, and protection, inclusion and safeguard.